All right, guys, welcome to Iron Wolf Country Club out here in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This is a beautiful course on Lake Havasu. I'm here today trying to break 70. My lowest round ever was 73. My goal one day is to get below 70 and start shooting under par. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget, I'm doing a Quest 3 giveaway. So if you guys are subscribed, once I hit 500 subscribers, we're going to be giving away that Quest 3 to one of you lucky winners. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Going. Woo! All right, tap in for bogey. I mean, after hitting it OB off the tee, no complaints here. All right, guys, came up a little bit short here on this par 3. I got this short chip for birdie. Par. Sweet. Gonna break 70 today. We started off by hitting it out of bounds, which wasn't awesome, and we had to make a drop. So I hit a bogey on hole 1, just parred hole 2 for I think the first time I've ever parred that hole ever playing here. It's a tough hole, but just stuck this one close here on hole 3. Hopefully we can get a birdie. No break. All right, back-to-back pars. All right, we got this long birdie putt downhill, breaking a ton to the left. One over par through 4 on hole 5 here. Got this chip for birdie on this short par 3. Woo! Birdie. What a chip in. Come on, roll out, roll out. Oof. All right, nice little par putt there. uphill and a little bit of break to the right is what I'm seeing. Oh, I had the line, I just didn't hit it. Break. Just short, dude. Bogey. Go in. Run. First explosion hole on the 12th on our last hole there. Worst hole I've ever had on camera. Shot a 9 on a par 4. So now we're 7 over. Par. Go in. Thanks. Too hard. Sit. I pushed it. Yeah, it would have gone in. Didn't break at all.